What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we will be playing Build a Ring Farm again. So let's just get started. Okay, we're loading into the game. Okay. Ooh, so we get spring onion seed. Okay. Oh, that's really good. That's legendary. Should we play? Oh wait, guys. First we need to unlock this. Then we can place that. Then we level up. 17k. Okay. Pretty good. 500. Okay, we have so much money now. We need to pull this lever and see what we can get. Let's just max it out. Oh yeah, that's good. That's good. Yes. We love that. Okay. I'll take the plum seed. Oh guys, if you hear thunder, it's because it is thundering in my area, so don't worry about it. There. Now we need to place the plum seed. Oh, first, let's unlock all of these. Unlock this plot. Unlock this plot. Oh. Unlock this one, and that one. Okay, now let's place the plum seed right here. There we go. Let's level it up. Then, wait, hold on. What's our best? I'm gonna level up our best. I think, yeah, this one's my best. 43k. Okay. I have 3 million. Let's pick this up. Sell it. Okay. Now we need to get more plants. Seeds. I'm gonna try to get a legendary. It's taking forever. Oh! 7 mil. I'm gonna wait for that. I'm gonna wait to get that. Okay, so we can just wait for that. And it's running hard. Let's see the leaderboards again. Let's go look at the leaderboards. Oh, there's an update in 2 days. We might play it. It's on Saturday. I've played for 37 minutes. Okay, not compared to these guys who've been playing for almost a month. 12 days. Okay, I want to get on at least one leaderboard. 3.33 SX a minute. Yeah, I'm far from that. I make 2.25 million a minute. I need to try to get on that leaderboard. Okay, let's go back here. Oh, I was about to say, how do I get up there? Okay, let me climb up this ladder. What is this? Compose. What? Oh, never mind. How do I take this out? Okay. Ring value. Okay. Have we hit 7 mil? Let's see. Oh, 5. Oh! Yeah, we hit 10 mil. We have more than enough money. Buy this one. Hold on, I want to take out all the ones that are non-legendary. We're slowly trying to level our thing up. Boom, 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 boom. That's legendary, right? Okay. It's not legendary. Okay, let's put on there. Okay, now it's leveled up. Oh, we need to place it closer. There we go. Sprinkler range. Oh, all I had to do was level that up, and we just could have kept it there. So, yeah. Boom. Okay, we need to save up for that banana seed. How much money do you have now? 700k. Okay. Is that a million? Dang. 58,000. Okay. It's making us less money, but it's fine. It's fine. Just gotta level up this and that. So let's look at the gear shop. Fertilizer. Fire spray 1 quadrillion. Oh nah. Oh, hold on, didn't I got notified already, right? Yeah. No. Okay. Ooh, Griffin. Oh yeah, I can't get that. 25 million to get that. Oh my goodness. I need to get 25 million. Oh, I can get apple seed on day 7. Ooh, tomorrow I can get a legendary. Okay. Let's get. Oh, we got a million. Okay. Slowly building up. Try to get a cheaper legendary. Hold on, what's the cheapest legendary? Oh, the spring. Oh my. Oh, that's cost. That's 100, that's 1,000, that's million. 10 billion! Gosh. That's a lot of money. I feel like only Bax would have that amounts of money. I think that's what his name is. If you don't know who Bax is, he's a YouTuber. No. No. It's gonna take forever, bro. Okay, let's sell this. That was it for today, guys. If you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe, and peace.